like what made you start Easton University? Like, was it just to make money, or was it something like you noticed that salespeople were frankly like not doing a good job, or like what was kind of the thing that made you want to start it?
Yeah, and I would say that's probably one of my biggest regrets for myself personally and for your mom, your sister, for you. Um, it took a lot of prodding. People like,
Yeah.
Kim calling me because Kim used to work for me. And
Really?
Kim, oh yeah, that's how I met Kim. I hired her. I was a VP of sales at a company. I hired Kim. Kim would call me all the time and be like, "You're the best salesperson ever. You're the best sales coach ever. You've got to do this." And I kept saying, it's not for me. But deep down, I was like, I would love to do that. And it was almost, and I wish I could go back and have done it sooner. It was almost like I loved it so much that I thought, gosh, if I did that, that's not really work, right? Like I should be suffering and working for all these companies and because that's real work. And I never really took the time to take that leap. So that's why I held off. Like I started other sales coaching companies before I started Easton University. That the multifamily. Well, that was SEO, but Leasing University, which is still awesome. I love Leasing University; it's great. But my true passion was true sales. I waited till the very end to jump into the thing I was most passionate about, and I think it's just because I was like, I would do it for free. And so I steered clear of it. And I think that's something, if I could impart some wisdom on you, like if you are passionate about something, just go for it. I'm not saying drop everything else that you're doing. And I'm not saying be like, I'm never going to work another job or I'm not going to work something I hate, but still carve out time to do the thing that you want to do. And that's when I started Easton University, I was never like, I want to make tens of millions of dollars every year. I was like, I really love this and I just want to help one or two people. And when I did start it, I'll be honest, I've never told anybody this. When I first got in front of that camera, and you know who I was talking to?
Who?
Myself. I was like, nobody ever talks about this stuff. Nobody ever talks about what to say on a follow-up call. Like, and by the way, I got even better at sales when I started doing that because I just was doing it for the love of like not only helping myself but helping other people. And I'll be honest, I did not care for the first couple years where Easton University went because I was doing what I loved.